we decided to replace our old bathroom hook with a sturdier option. The original hook had served its time, and we were ready for an upgrade. Here's how we did it. Materials and tools used: regular plate or dead plate cover, stainless steel hook, wall anchor, screw, small piece of wood, glue stick, lighter, drill bit, Phillips head screwdriver. Here's how we made it. We opted to use a dead plate cover because it made mounting easier. Cut a small piece of wood to fit between the two holes on the plate cover. This piece will provide extra support behind the plate's hollow section. Mark the spot on the wall where you want to mount the hook. Drill a hole at the marked spot to fit the wall anchor. Melt one end of the glue stick using a lighter. Apply the melted glue to one side of the wooden piece. Stick the glued side of the wood piece onto the wall at the drilled hole. This adds strength to the mounting. Push the wall anchor into the drilled hole, ensuring it is securely in place. Position the plate cover over the wall anchor. Use a screw to secure the plate cover to the wall. Place the stainless steel hook on top of the mounted plate cover. Drill a hole through the plate cover and into the wall. Screw in the stainless steel hook, ensuring it is firmly attached. By following these steps, we successfully mounted a sturdy new hook in our bathroom. Now, it is more durable and ready to hold our towels and other items securely.